Division of polynomials. 27x cubed plus 9x squared minus 3x minus 10 divided by 3x minus 2. So, divide 27 by 3. So, we have 27 divided by 3 is 9. X cubed divided by x, so that is x square. Then 9 times 3 is 27. X squared times x is x cubed. 9 times 2, negative 2 is negative 18. X square equals, so this is positive, change sign to negative, then this is positive. So you have 0. So positive, 9 plus 18 is 27. Copy the x square. So bring down negative 3x. 27 divided by 3 is positive 9. X squared divided by x is x. Then 9x times 3x is 27 x squared. 9x times negative 2 is negative 18x equals, so this is negative, then this is becomes positive. This is 0. So negative and positive, magma-minus tayo. Then 18 minus 3 is 15. Then copy the sign of the biggest number, which is positive. So copy x. So bring down negative 10. 15x divided by 3x is positive 5. 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Change the sign. Ito dati positive, magiging negative. And then ito magiging positive. So this is 0. So the quotient is 9x squared plus 9x plus 5.